this okay?
Can you do Girls World? It's a song I like. It's by Mackenzie Turner.
Girls World?
By Mackenzie Turner. You don't have to spell that. Just do it written by.
Mackenzie Turner? What?
This is it.
I know. Well, how do you know her name?
Echo says it.
Huh?
Echo says it when I ask to play it.
Oh, so you're learning stuff now?
She's also a YouTuber.
So I need to add this to your stuff?
Yeah. She's a YouTuber I watch. She's only on YouTube or Google. So to watch it on my tablet, since I don't have YouTube, I have to do Google.
Does Hazel like this?
No. She doesn't even know about it now.
So you happy with your Echo? That was a good idea to put in your room?
Mackenzie Turner and Sky is her friend. They play what's it called? It's Roblox, but what
So you're happy with your Fire Stick? You're happy with your tablet? You're happy with your Echo?
my phone. It's called Brookhaven.
And you play this over and over and you learned all the words? Yeah?
Kind of. I don't play enough to learn all of them. I know them. It's a girl. They even have it on Video Maker.
Oh, wow.
I learned if you record a video and you take the sound, you can add it to Video Maker. So I put it on Video Maker because it wasn't there yet.
Oh. Did you get a whole bunch of your videos deleted off your tablet? Yeah? Did you just delete them all?
No.
Oh, you went through and kept what you wanted?
Yeah. First I did the keeping. Then I was like, if I can't see, it won't hurt. I only have where I can see the delete button, so I know I'm not paying something else.
You're gonna break the seat.
Sorry. Was that a cool dance though?
Careful. You're gonna smash the hood. It's gonna fall.
Turn it up.
No, there's people in the bay. Do you know it's called the bay?
It's called a today.
Mm-hmm.
I heard this before.
Let's go.